Okay, so I went to CVS today. They had buy one, get one 50% off. So I bought these two things. They are the LA Colors matte lip kits. And I got the red one because I was going to buy a lip liner in red so I could use my red lipstick that came in my Ipsy bag. But it was like $7 for lip liner, and this was $4, I think. And then it was buy one, get one half off. So then I'm like, for $6. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is like a nude color. So if I do smoky eye, I think I would go with this. So this is the lip liner. Let's see if I can get it to focus on that. There we go. So there's the lip liner. And my makeup already wore off. You can see some of the red and everything, but whatevers. Cupid's bow. Okay, now we're gonna do this thing. So this wand, it's not like very great. It's cheaper makeup, so you know, what do you expect? But it's not so bad. I regret buying this color because it's so light. I don't really wear light shades, but I think that if I put this over like a lipstick and blend it, maybe it'll work better for me. And it's always good to have lip liner anyway because it'll seal in the crease of the lip color. But I guess this is my little review of the LA Colors matte lip kit. I do like it. I'm not going to apply the red, but I'm going to go ahead and add pictures of me wearing the red kit earlier. So, I mean, for $6, this isn't so bad at all. So if you're at CVS, I guess I'm endorsing products and not getting paid for it, but for $6, I got 4 items. It's not so bad at all. I just dropped the lid. Yeah, so thanks for watching, I guess.